Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be unboxing and reviewing the new Wild Terrain set from Hot Wheels. And they are right here. It's all 5 of them. These are premium metal car culture Hot Wheels. If you're not familiar with the premium line, the real riders, they have rubber tires and metal bases and metal bodies. And we will check them out. From the left here, number 1 out of 5 is the Mercedes, and I should say 1988 Mercedes Unimog U1300 paramedic response vehicle. Looks really cool. The second one in, which is number 2 out of 5, is the 85 Ford Bronco, and that is a California Highway Patrol livery. And that one, believe it or not, I believe is the most sought after out of the 5. Number 3 is the 67 Off-Road Camaro, which is Lucas Oil Products livery. Number 4 out of 5 is a, what is it? Doesn't say the year, but Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop. That's one of my favorites. I think it looks great in the mustard yellow Search and Rescue livery. And number 5 out of 5 is my personal favorite. The one I've been waiting for quite a while is the 86 Porsche 959. And this is the Dakar Rally livery. And so we will crack each one open and take a look at it. All right, so we'll take a look here at the Unimog before I rip it open. I shouldn't say rip it open. I'm going to be as careful as I can with it. And here's the back of the pack if you're unfamiliar. I have yet to see these in the stores. A couple of my friends locally have seen them. I have not, mainly because I have not been to any department stores in probably 3 months, which is bizarre, but the hours that I work, they're not open when I close, or when I leave, I should say, they're not open. And hopefully the new hours of these stores will be back to normal, of some sort, normalcy anyway, hopefully here soon. At least I'm hoping, because I know we're all getting tired of being home. And not that, well, I haven't been home. I had to work. But look at this artwork. How cool is that? So there's number 1 out of 5. And I will put them up on turntable and spin them around. And we take a good close gander at them. This is number 2 out of 5. This is the Highway Patrol Ford Bronco. Trying to be careful here, opening them up, but yeah, so far so good. Look at that artwork, freaking awesome! Awesome artwork on these packs. Wow, that one's freaking cool already. You can see that. Number 3 out of 5 is the 67 Off-Road Camaro. Feels good to release these suckers out of their packs. And there's the 67. That is really cool. The rims are great too on that. That's really, really cool. Number 4 out of 5 is the Land Rover. Oh, here's the artwork for the Camaro. I'm not sure if I showed that to you guys or not. I don't think I did. That looks cool as well. I love it jumping like that. You can almost picture it coming down and the suspension collapsing in on itself, and you can use your imagination there. But when I see something like that, my mind takes me to some dunes where some places I wish I'd be currently instead of here in my garage. There's the Land Rover. That looks good too. Boy, this one I got a strong paint smell from this one when I opened it up. Ooh, gotta love that. Oh yeah, take it in, take it all in. Wow. It's a plastic roof though, right? Yeah, plastic roof on it, but yellow. The body's painted that mustard yellow. All right, and here's the one. As you guys know, I'm a huge Porsche fan. And this is one that I've been waiting for since seeing the Instagram pictures of it quite a while back. The teasers online, really awesome in the Rothmans livery. Of course, it doesn't say Rothmans, but boy, that was a strong paint odor on that one too. That is really cool. So there we go. So we'll put the cards up back here. So there we go. We have all of them lined up here, and next we will put them on the turntable and check them out. All right, here we have the 1988 Mercedes Unimog, and it has what it says, Backcountry Paramedic Patrol and Response on the side of it. Pretty cool. I would say this is probably the least popular out of the set, but I have no issues with it. I think it looks pretty good. We will stop here and roll her over. It's got a slimmer style metal base there. This is all plastic. The red part's all plastic. Of course, we have the rubber tires. You could remove those if you would like. I think it's pretty cool. I thought the doors maybe opened. No, it's a shame they don't, but it's okay. We got the air filter housing snorkel here on the side, and some details to it. The stars painted in there on the front grille. Doesn't look too bad. Definitely could be, needs a little bit of work, but it's not bad. All right, we'll move on to number 2. Number 2 out of the set is the 85 Ford Bronco CHP livery. This one, like I said, is, for whatever reason, I'm not sure why, but it's the most sought after one out of the 5. I'm not sure. I saw that on Instagram. It kind of took off like wildfire. People were clamoring to grab this one and grab everyone that they can possibly find of it. I'm not sure why. You guys have to leave your comments down below. Why is this the most popular out of the 5? I'm not really sure, but it definitely is very cool, though. Don't get me wrong. So let's stop and we'll take a closer look here at it. There's the back of it. Got the little blue oval Ford logo there, and this is K9 unit. Taillights are red. Got some amber side markers and front markers, and another blue oval in the front grille there. Looks pretty decent. Something with the shape, though, now that I have it out of the pack, looks a little weird. It looks a little off to me, the shape. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the way I'm looking at it down with these rockers, the step-up panels on it. It just looks weird to me, the shape. So it's dated 2012 on the bottom, so it's not a new casting. So there we go. Looks pretty cool. And this has the same rims as the yellow Land Rover, but they're black plastic. I believe they're the same wheels. It looks like it have was it 8 holes in the wheels. I believe it's the same. Yeah, same as the Land Rover. I just want to look there. Really cool. All right, so we'll move on to number 3. All right, so here we have car number 3 out of the set of 5. This is the 67 Off-Road Camaro. I'm not sure, is that a new casting or not? I don't think it is. I'll have to look at the base here then. Lucas Oil Products livery, red, white, and blue. 5-spoke rims, really cool with bead locks on them in the gray plastic. I don't know what's the date say on the bottom here. 2018. So this might be an all new casting. I'm not sure though. I don't want to say, I'm not positive on that, but got some, the taillights are painted in. It's just hard to see with the brush guards there. It almost looks like plastic, but it is a satin black metal base on that. That one, I don't know why. I don't think that one's very popular, but I like that a lot. That's cool. All right, we'll move on to number 4. Number 4 is the Land Rover 110 hardtop. And boy, is this thing a beast. I don't think, this is what, the second or third time this has been out, I believe. Maybe second in this, in a different color scheme. Pretty cool though. Very, very cool. I don't have the other one. I know there's another one out, I'm pretty sure, and I don't have it. We'll go ahead here and stop it and take a close look here at it. But this thing's awesome. Like I said, it has the 8-hole wheels are the same ones that were on the Bronco, but in yellow plastic. Like I said, you have the removable tires, plastic roof, but the rest is all metal, satin black metal base. What does that say? It's dated 2018. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was released one other time. I'm pretty sure. So the only new one I believe out of all these is maybe quite possibly the 959. But boy, is that thing cool though. Got some details on the back of it. Really cool. All right, so we'll move on to number 5 out of 5. All right, so this is car 5 out of 5, the 86 959 Porsche. And this is, of course, a rally version in the Rothmans livery. Sans Rothmans sponsorship decals, though, are not present, obviously. But if my memory serves me correctly, this car, 186, won in 1984. And also won in 1986, the Dakar Rally. Let's shut it down and take a look here. But this thing looks pretty freaking awesome. I like the way they did the mirrors on it. Satin black metal base. Also dated. Now this is dated 2019. So this is, I think this is the only brand new casting out of all 5 of these. It's a shame here on the side. What is going on here? I don't know what that blob of white right there is. I don't think mine's supposed to have that blob there. I'm pretty sure that's not supposed to be there. I'll have to get my loop out and look, but it looks to me like it's, I'll have to see if I can pick it off. It looks like a piece of metal. Well, this side doesn't have it. I don't know. But anyway, back to the car itself. There we have the rear end. I think the tires are a little too small on this. They should have went with some larger wheels and tires. I'm just wondering if how this would look with these painted white, these 5-spoke wheels on it with the chunkier tires. I think would be more appropriate than these road racing looking, which they did have a road racing version of this, which was called the 961. But boy, is that thing, that's awesome. All right, so I'll get a shot of all 5 of them here up on the turntable. And if you like this type of video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, like, all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys soon, hopefully. Stay safe, wash your hands, all that good stuff. If you got a cough or sneeze, obviously do it in your elbow and all that fun stuff. So let me back out here a little bit and we will get a shot of this. I will see you guys soon.